front end loader operator. Are you wondering how to change your attachment, your John Deere 724P? I am your own boy. So as we go, it's all right there. It's right there. You see this? This switch right there is the function to change the attachment, the quick coupling attachment right there. This one. So as you can see, when you press it down, you see on your screen, you see disconnect. All you need to do, push the attachment and tip down, and the bucket, the attachment will go away from you and back up. You see? As you back up, I got a bucket right there. You gotta line yourself off and hook to your attachment, to your next one. So line yourself up, as you can see, but I'm also trying to show you this with my other hand. So back up, you gotta line yourself up. Okay, right there. And curve it back. There you go, fall right in. Why it happened? Because I'm not lined up, but you make sure you line yourself up. So when you're done that, curve your bucket out the back and come back to this switch and press it back. And it's connected. Your screen will tell you it is connected. To make sure, leave it up, and you're good to go. There you go. So your forward and backward and reverse switch is right there. Down and backward. In the middle is neutral. All the way up is front. And these are just your speed. So your speed, increase your speed and decrease your speed. And as you see right up there, increase and decrease, it would be changing. Okay, right there, 1, 2, 3, and the 4, and I went forward right there. So back to neutral, you see. Hey boys and girls, that's all I have for you today. If you want to know more, let me know in the comment. Thank you.